Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the Dividend Income Projection Formula for building $7,500 monthly income through dividends. To begin with, the goal of this infographic is to show how much portfolio value may be needed to generate around $7,500 every month in dividend income. This is a helpful way to understand the relationship between your income target, dividend yield, and the size of the investment portfolio required to support that income. First, we start with the monthly goal. The target dividend income is $7,500 per month. Since dividend calculations are usually easier to understand on a yearly basis, we convert that monthly amount into annual income. So, $7,500 multiplied by 12 gives us $90,000 per year. In other words, if you want to receive $7,500 every month, your portfolio needs to generate about $90,000 in annual dividends. Next, we estimate the portfolio's dividend yield. Dividend yield means the percentage of income a portfolio produces compared to its total value. In this example, the infographic uses an average dividend yield of 4%, which can also be written as 0.04. This is a simple working assumption and helps us calculate the portfolio size needed to reach the target income. After that, we use the main formula. The required portfolio value equals the annual dividend income needed divided by the dividend yield. So here, the calculation becomes $90,000 divided by 0.04. As a result, the required portfolio value comes to $2,250,000. Therefore, with a 4% average dividend yield, an investor would need approximately $2.25 million invested to generate about $7,500 per month in dividends. Then, the infographic shows a projected path toward the $7,500 monthly income target. For example, in year 1, a portfolio value of $250,000 at a 4% yield would produce $10,000 in annual dividends, or roughly $833 per month. In year 2, a $500,000 portfolio would generate $20,000 annually, or about $1,667 per month. Likewise, a $750,000 portfolio would generate $30,000 annually, or about $2,500 per month. Moving further, at $1 million invested, annual dividends would be around $40,000, which is about $3,333 per month. At $1,500,000, annual dividends could reach $60,000, or around $5,000 monthly. At $2 million, annual dividends would be approximately $80,000, which is around $6,667 per month. Finally, when the portfolio reaches $2,250,000, annual dividends become $90,000, which matches the goal of $7,500 per month. In addition, the image highlights several key assumptions. The first is the 4% average dividend yield. The second is an optional dividend growth rate of 5% per year, which means some companies or ETFs may increase their dividend payments over time. Another important assumption is that dividends are reinvested. This means instead of withdrawing all dividend income immediately, the investor uses those payments to buy more shares, which can help the portfolio grow faster through compounding. Moreover, the infographic emphasizes building the portfolio steadily. This includes investing consistently, adding new capital regularly, reinvesting dividends, and focusing on quality dividend assets. These habits can make a major difference over time. At the same time, it is important to stay the course and adjust when necessary. That means reviewing the portfolio yield, tracking dividend growth, diversifying holdings, and improving the plan as market conditions and personal goals change. However, it is also important to remember that this is a simplified illustration. Real-life dividend income can vary because stock prices, dividend rates, company performance, and market conditions change over time. A high yield may sometimes involve more risk, so investors should balance income goals with diversification, quality, and long-term stability. So, the bottom line is very clear. To earn $7,500 every month in dividends, you need around $90,000 per year in dividend income. Using a 4% average dividend yield, that translates into a required portfolio value of about $2,250,000. Therefore, the formula is simple, but the journey requires patience, discipline, reinvestment, and consistent investing. Ultimately, this infographic teaches that once you know your monthly income target, you can convert it into annual income, estimate a realistic dividend yield, and calculate the portfolio size required. From there, you can build step by step and move closer to your passive income goal over time. Please remember, this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.